Hi, this is Vince,
And this is Stacy with 2 Weeks in a Hammock.
and today we're going to be unboxing and doing a pre-review of some new headlamps that we got. And I already had opened one of these, so I'm a little bit familiar, and I was very impressed, so I ordered some extras so that we each have a couple. And this is Coast brand, and I ordered these from Menards, and so they got shipped. It was not something that they carried directly in the store, but it was something that you could get shipped to the store.
And how much were they?
And there was some rebates. I think these are $40 or $50 headlights, but Menards was doing one of their super specials, and they were like $10 after all the rebates.
Okay.
So this says this is the model FL60R wide angle headlamp, and they come in various colors. I'm going to be opening the blue one. Stacy has a green. The nice thing that made me want this is rechargeable, so I don't have to carry around extra batteries when I'm backpacking. We do carry, when we're backpacking, a power bank, which during the day we can leave charging connected to our solar panel in the sun, so we have replenishable energy.
Okay, so it's got this little strip in it which talks about the product, rechargeable, and it also takes batteries. In here you'll see that there's a couple of gel packs, but there is a rechargeable battery and some regular batteries.
So this is
It's like nice foam packaging.
very nice packaging.
And it's got it's got cute little diamonds on it.
So the batteries are included, and it takes 3 AAA batteries, or you can use this little battery pack, which is the same size as 3 AAA batteries, but this is the lithium polymer, say 1000 milliamp hour battery pack.
Okay, and it fits in that same space.
And what's very impressive about this is you can recharge this battery without it being in the headlamp. And it has a micro USB connector, so you can plug it into any micro USB cord you have around the house. It does also come with a cord, and it comes with a car charger, and it comes with a house charger.
Oh.
So it comes with really
Nice.
everything you can possibly want. It also has,
What are these clips?
I believe these clips are for mounting the headlamp to a safety helmet, like a hard hat.
Yep.
Okay, so now so we've been through a lot of headlamps in our years camping, and one of the biggest complaints that I've heard from Stacy on some of these is that when you're putting the headlamp on and off your head, that the headlamp would come off of the strap.
Yeah, that's
because
annoying.
of the way the strap threaded through the headlamp. This will not do it. So that will be very nice for us.
So you won't have to hear me complain.
I didn't want to say that to the rest of the world, but okay, yes.
So it's got a silencing feature.
Yes, it has a built-in wife silencer.
Yeah, so it's
Now, the strap itself,
it's got adjustable one. It's got 3 different brightnesses.
yep, 3 different brightnesses. The strap itself is reflective.
Oh, yeah.
So
which side? The diamond side?
Yes, the diamonds are reflective.
Okay. I can't see anything now. I just looked straight into it.
Yes.
And then there's the charge port on the bottom, so you can charge it. I just put the regular batteries in because obviously we need to charge up the the other battery.
So lithium polymer batteries, all lithium batteries, as far as I know, always come partially charged. You never want to let them fully deplete because you may not be able to recharge them. But these should be charged enough. It actually fits your head.
It does. Actually, it feels a little tight. I've got an extra large head, so actually it's an adjustable strap. There you go. That's better. And it has adjustable angles. So this is nice. I'm looking forward to taking this out on the trail this weekend.
Yes. And let's see. So this has the battery is marked with positive and negative. It has a light, an LED, that will show when it is charging, and when it's charging it'll be red, and when it's fully charged it'll turn green. And this will show through the housing, so you'll be able to see it whether you're charging it outside of the headlamp or inside. Okay, put it in positive to positive.
So you bought 4 of these. You bought a green one, a blue one, an orange one, and a red one, correct?
Yes.
And okay, let's start with the green one.
So right out of the box, this is the rechargeable battery.
Okay, great.
And it does have 3 modes. When I'm camping, probably I would usually use the lowest one. I need to be able to see things in the dark. But if I'm working on my car or something, I would usually use just the brightest all the time, because I need to really be able to see what I'm doing. And since it is so easily rechargeable in the field, I'm not going to be concerned about running it out.
Yeah. I'm sorry, did you already say that we carry battery chargers and
Yes.
Okay, and a solar panel.
Solar panel.
So this is part of our overall strategy to keep gear powered up.
Yes.
So we have the other support materials for this.
Right. So we use stuff, and at night we will recharge them from our power bank, and then during the day we will connect the power bank to our solar panel to recharge that in the sun while we're out.
And you can look for our other video where Vince does a product review of the solar panel we use, which is the Big Blue 28 watt solar panel. Yeah. So on our channel you can see the other product review too, and we're really happy with that.
Yep. Okay, the switch to turn this on has a good feel. It doesn't feel like it's going to accidentally get turned on. I've had
that happens.
some headlights that, in fact, I had adopted a practice of taking one of the batteries out and turning it around backwards so that it wouldn't turn on if I accidentally turned on the headlight.
That happens to me a lot. We get to set up camp and I start unpacking my bag, and there'll be a headlamp on inside my bag. So I started doing that too, turning my battery around.
So this one seems a little more difficult to accidentally turn on.
Yeah, it's got a more firm.
And it's of course everything is rubberized and should be pretty weatherproof. So the strap itself has a good comfortable feel to it, and good elasticity.
Nice adjustable,
and of course
but
it's
it
very
holds.
very adjustable. Yes. So the power cord that it comes with is, of course, I said it's a micro USB. And it has, it looks like about 3 foot length. The car charger that it comes with is a single port, has a 1000 milliamp hour, or I'm sorry, 1000 milliamp, or 1 amp output at 5 volts. which is a lot of them are 2 or 3, so it's not a super fast charger, but it's intended for the headlamp. It's a small battery, and it won't take that long to charge up, I'm sure. And the house charger is also 1 amp.
Okay. And I'm looking at the information that came in the package that when you have the rechargeable battery, it'll last 2 hours and 15 minutes on the high setting or 10 hours on the low setting. And with batteries, it'll last 2 hours and 45 minutes on the high setting and 18 hours on the low setting.
Of course, what everyone wants to know is, how bright is it? So at the highest setting, it is 450 lumens. This is using the rechargeable batteries. 200 lumens at medium, and at the low setting is 55 lumens. And they say it has a projected light distance, high of 33 meters, medium 23 meters, and low 12 meters. When you're using alkaline batteries, it's not quite as bright as the rechargeables. So at the highest, it's 400 lumens instead of 450. The alkalines will last longer than the rechargeables. At high, it's 2 hours and 45 minutes compared to 2 hours and 15 minutes with the rechargeables. And at the low setting, 18 hours on the low setting compared to 10 hours with the rechargeables. So, but I plan on using the rechargeables all the time.
Yep.
Okay, is there anything else about this?
No, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Some people might be interested in the weight. I don't know if there's it's not ultra light. I know you can get lighter headlights, but
it does have a little
I'm not
more
an ultra light guy. If I was
Yeah.
ultra light, I'd stop drinking so much beer.
All right. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching.
All right, have a great time outdoors.
Hey guys, what do you think of this new headlight?
It's really bright.
What do you think?
My eyes are burning.
Is it too bright?
Yes.